If you're looking to run a STARLINK Mini on your boat and you don't know how to mount it, I've got the solution for you. And that is our magnet-based STARLINK Mini Mount. This is actually a mount originally designed for going on side-by-sides. It uses 4 big rare earth magnets, and we have come up with a really cool, simple solution with essentially steel bottom end plates that just recess into your carpet so there's no tripping hazard, and it makes it really easy to put your STARLINK on and off the boat, and it is absolutely rock solid on there. Other cool thing is for you guys running any sort of steel bodied trucks, this will mount on the roof or anywhere that's steel. It's a simple flat layout, so say you're at an Airbnb and you need to put this on a table, it'll just sit on a table. But what makes this really cool is how this is such an easy connect system. Simply connect the STARLINK with the magnet, and then included with our kit is the wiring and a simple pass through right here for it all to plug in, and the STARLINK is operating. Gives you instant internet access on the water, whether you have cell service or not. The STARLINK provides you instant data. So for you guys looking to run a new power pole Vision, you're looking to stream, or you just need access because you're a business owner on the water, this is the solution for you. Get in contact with us at SonarProsElectronics.com to get yourself a STARLINK Mini Mount.